Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again, and on today's recipe we're going to have a really delicious soup. Yep, it's going to be cream of butternut squash and sweet potato. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I've got hundreds of recipes out there and I'm sure there's one that you'd love to be making. Now here's what we need. Here I have one whole butternut squash, about a medium sized, and some sweet potatoes. I've got 3 here. One whole white onion, some paprika. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of this. We're going to need a bit of seasoning as well, so here's our old salt and pepper there. We're going to need some ginger, about 1/2 inch, peeled and chopped up. Some garlic, about 3 cloves, but that's entirely up to you of course. And some stock. This is a lovely vegetable stock. I've got 2 pints here, and I'm going to be a bit daring and use a few chilli flakes. And of course we need some cream. So in a pan on the hob, drop of oil, hefty knob of butter, pop that in and let it melt down. Then we can go in with our chopped up onion, chopped up quite small as you can see. So we put all of that in, and we're going to let this cook down for a little while until it gets really nice and soft and it gets nice and sweet and translucent looking. Then we can go in with our garlic and our ginger. We just want to cook that just for a little while, not too long. Give that a bit of a stir so it all mixes together. Then we can go in with our butternut squash and our sweet potatoes that have been skinned and chopped up into chunky bits like this. Give that a stir. Get that hot oil and the flavours of the onion and garlic and ginger all over. Then we're going to add some stock. This is our 2 pints of stock. Basically you just want to cover everything up. In with the paprika, in with the chilli seeds. Give this a mix together, get all those flavours nicely incorporated. A little bit of seasoning, plenty of black pepper, one of my favourites as you know. And of course we're going to put some salt in. Can't go wrong with a little bit of salt, can we? Or can we? Nah, as long as it's not too much. So in that goes. Bring it to a boil, and we're going to let this simmer for about 20 or 30 minutes, thereabouts. After that time, what I like to do is give the veggies a little bit of a test. A little bit of a test with a fork, just to make sure that are really nice and soft, cooked right the way through and really tender. Like this. You can see what I'm doing. This is what you should do. That's just about right. So then we can go in with our whizzer or a little stick blender there. Blend this all up, make it really nice and soft, which won't take long at all. And if you haven't got one of these little kitchen gadgets, I do recommend that you treat yourself and do get one. Just ask for one for a birthday present. Anyway, now it's a cream of butternut squash and sweet potato soup. So we've got to add the cream and give it one last final stir. Add a little bit of seasoning if you think it needs it, and then it is done. Now doesn't that look fantastic? So now it's time to pop some into a bowl. We're going to add some lovely single cream. You can use double cream if you want. Stir this around. Now that's starting to look really good, isn't it guys? I tell you, it smells good too. Little bit of parsley sprinkled over the top just to finish it off. And now it is time for a taste test. And it really does taste so good. Please try it for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a share. See you all again next time. Love you all. Bye for now.